Nintendo used to protect Mario's mustache. Now they want to own the concept of Mario's mustache. In the last 2 weeks, they've secured patents on summoning Mario's mustache and switching between Mario's mustache. Mechanics that exist in everything from Elden Ring to bloody
Elden Ring,
and have done for years. This isn't about protecting innovation anymore. This is declaring war.
Has changed.
And to me, this is everything wrong with modern
Sonic Free Riders!
corporate greed wrapped up in a Pikachu cosplay. Yeah. So what madness have Nintendo been up to? Well, they've just had two granted. The first one covers summoning a companion that automatically enemies on your behalf.
So that's it? That's the joke? Or...
According to market research, this is the stuff that sells.
It hasn't aired yet, right?
Not yet.
Mario's mustache.